Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 11.3 question number 2. Which out of the following are expressions with numbers only? Number A is y plus 3. Y is a variable, therefore it is not a expressions with numbers only. It is not expression. Number A is not expressions with numbers only because it has variable y, right? This is not expressions with numbers only. B is 7 into 20 minus 8z. Z is a variable, therefore it is also not a expressions with numbers only. Right? Number C. C is what? 5 into 21 minus 7 plus 7 into 2. Here you see all are numbers 5, 21, 7, 7, 2. Therefore, this is the expression with numbers only. This is the expression with numbers only. That is question number C. Question number D is 5. 5. 5 is only one number, therefore it is not an expression with numbers, right? Not an expression with numbers. Now question number E, question is 3x, x is a variable, right? Therefore it is not a expression with numbers. F5 minus 5n, n is a variable, therefore it is not an expression with numbers only, right? Now question number G, 7 into 20 minus 5 into 10 minus 45 plus p. Here you see that p is a variable, therefore it is not an expression with numbers only, right? Therefore where there are no variable, we can say that the following expressions are the numbers only, that is C and D.